Welcome to the Isle of Man Sea Terminal, located in Douglas, the island's capital city. Some of the architecture is very unusual looking, particularly the tower at the top of the building. There used to be a restaurant on the top floor, but now this contains offices for the Douglas Harbour Control Unit. This is Isle of Man Steam Packet's fastest vessel, HSC Manannan. Did you know that HSC stands for High Speed Craft, but they're also known as a fast craft or a fast ferry? The vessel was built in Australia by Incat in 1998. She operated for a short period as a commercial ferry for TT Line. She was then acquired by the US Navy and converted for military purposes. After this, the Isle of Man Steam Packet Company purchased the vessel in 2008 for $20 million. The vessel is mainly used on Douglas to Liverpool sailings. However, in the summer months it can also go to Dublin and Belfast as well. You can see MV Ben Machie in the background, which is another one of Isle of Man Steam Packet's vessels. The vessel can carry up to 850 passengers and 175 vehicles. Journey time from Douglas to Liverpool is 2 hours and 45 minutes. When departing from Douglas Harbour, the sky was looking rather grey and cloudy. However, this does brighten up later on in the journey, as you will see. You get great views overlooking Douglas Harbour and Promenade from being this far out at sea. This sailing is 1 hour quicker than the sailing over to Heysham. However, this vessel has less vehicle capacity on it. This is the observation deck, which is located on the upper deck. Access is through the Niabil Reserved Lounge. I wasn't entirely sure if I was allowed to walk through this reserved lounge or not, but no one really stopped me, so... This deck space is much larger than the other one, which is located on the lower deck, towards the rear of the vessel. It also offers much better views as well. The front windows don't really offer much in terms of a view. You can mainly just see part of the car deck in front. Here we have the views from the observation deck, which can be found on the lower of the two decks. If you look in the distance, you'll be able to see Seaforth Docks, where the red cranes are. When arriving into Liverpool Docks, you get a great view of the Liverpool skyline. I think this is the most scenic way to arrive into Liverpool, in my opinion. We arrived into Liverpool just in time for the sun to set. Liverpool does have a nice waterfront. The big building with the clock towers is the Royal Liver Building. This is the home of the Royal Liver Assurance Group. I paid £150 for a return trip with my car. You can get advanced foot passenger fares starting from around £26 per crossing. Have you ever visited Liverpool before? Should I make a video about Liverpool? What other ferry routes should I try? Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching my video. Please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my travel adventures. It is totally free to do so. If you would like to support my channel, you can find a link to my donation page down below in the video description.